hear me, but if you recently replaced your cabin air filter on your vehicle and your car still stinks because you do this, I'm just kidding. Okay, it smells like mildew or like mold, like a nasty smell. Recommend you guys to use this, and you can find it at any car auto parts, whatever. Or you could use Lysol air freshener. But the trick to it is you gotta turn on your AC. Obviously gotta turn on the vehicle. Roll down all your windows. Make sure all your windows are open. Yeah, screw it, I got one in the back, might as well do it too. Crank your AC. On this particular vehicle, it has the auto function, which runs all the vents. I'm gonna do auto, but do not turn on the recirculate in the inside. And on my truck, you gotta find the vent for the intake on the actual hood. So you have to, on my truck, you have to open the hood so you can find this, and that's where you're gonna spray this. And then you're gonna do it on the passenger as well. And I'm gonna start doing that. But I forgot to set the fan has to be on at high, like as high as it could go. See, set it up on high. But do not circulate. Shake the cam a lot and start spraying in here. Most vehicles have it up here. I don't know why they decided to do this on my truck like that. It's actually inside. You gotta open the hood to access it. Let it run for a couple minutes, and it should be smelling a lot better inside. What I like to do as well is I do this every summer, at least once a summer. Oh, you can smell it already inside. I like to use this product. Spray some in the vents in the front as well. About a day or two after you spray this or the Lysol, and it takes off all the contaminants or whatever stinky stuff that you have in there. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it works for you guys. But that actually kills the smell of smoke as well. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.